Oh, hi. Welcome back to CTI Media. My name is Nathan. Today, this is part 4 of our video series on how to create beautiful websites without coding. Let's dive into my computer and I will show you this very cool tool that we are using that really put us ahead of our competitors. And this tool also, really makes our client happy because of product and of speed, because we were able to really produce beautiful results in a short period of time. So let's dive into my computer and I will show you.
And I will show you why DB Builder is really very cool. It's really very easy, very nice to create dynamic and beautiful contents, because it's basically it's visual. You do everything in the front end. Now let me show you. Now I have a section here where in that section I can add rows. So as you can see, it's really very easy to make a row, a columns, number of columns. You just basically select from the selection here, and you can also select from a save library. Now, for example, I will put a template that I saved from other pages. Like for example, the contact us. I saved that from from the previous page that I created. So I just basically insert that. Now, if you wonder where I get it, if you will go to the mission, you will notice that I have this contact us page. So if you will code this manually, this will take you time. But because I saved that from this page, like for example, this 3 columns here, I can save that into the library. If you have already created the page and you want to copy that particular portion, you can easily do that in the visual editor of DIVI. What you basically do is you just save row to library, and you give that layout the name. Like I will name it 3-row blurb. I will save that to library. Okay, so now I have that resources here. If I will add that from here, so that was a row. So if I will add another row, and you will see that there is already the 3-row blurb that I can select. Just like that, I have this amazing blurb that I created from the other pages. So that's it, guys. So all I have to do is to select and hit save. And of course, you can add text in here. Now, if you want to try, and if you want to have this tool, this visual builder, you can just hit that link in the bottom of this page to try DB Builder. Now, here is a text. I say, hey guys, I am US. Now, let me just copy that, and just for the sake of this demonstration, I'll put the text in here. Okay, so you can basically drag and rearrange this section on top. DB Visual Editor is really very handy. It's really very nice tool. And this is more than just a tool. It's actually a theme builder. And we actually use DB theme in building websites like this. Very nice website. So if you want to try, you can use that tool. I'll provide a link below this video. And if you think that it's difficult to create this one, yes, it's really very difficult, especially if you're just using the standard WordPress editor. And But because we're using this, clients love our work, and we actually finish our work very fast because of this tool that we're using, and our clients really love it. Now, there are also many other modules that you can use here, like a slider, map. You can also add a contact us form, and then you just insert that, so you have the contact us form here, where you can also design, change the background, add a background color, like I will put it yellow. Oh, that's very strong color. And I can adjust the opacity just like that, and I can also adjust the spacing. I can adjust the margin, top margin, and the bottom margin. You can do that by doing so. Okay, and you can also do that by going to the area and dragging. Everything is visible. Now, I already shared to you one secret of our company that put us ahead of the competition. So, if you are watching this and if you want to really level up your web development, no, this is a tool that you can really try. Just hit that link below.
There you go, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. This DB theme, which comes with many different other tools for internet marketing needs. The same price, but they have a lot of bundles, free themes, free plugins, very nice plugins, and I will also be discussing and teaching you these plugins as well. And these products have been actually very helpful in our web development business. It is really a game changer. So if you want to also improve or level up in your web development, in your internet marketing business, so I will suggest you take it as well. Yes, we have been a partner with them, and that is an affiliate link that you will be clicking. We are not recommending this because of business, but we are recommending this because we have been using this tool, and this tool really helped us a lot. That is why we can only recommend products that we have been using and products that have really helped our business. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and I hope you liked the video. My goal is, after this series of video lessons, you will be a better web developer, where you can also establish your online business, a good internet marketers, because these videos will really help you a lot in your online business success. Until my next video, bye-bye.